What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to change your target hardware option for Unreal Engine 5. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After launching Unreal Engine, navigate to Edit and select Project Settings. On this window, select Target Hardware in your Project Settings tab. Under Target Hardware, you have the option to change your Optimize Project Settings for option. This option is set to desktop by default and can be changed to mobile. Maximum will make sure that some high-end features will be enabled by default. Scalable Quality simply means that some features will be disabled by default, but can be enabled based on the user hardware. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.